Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay. And if you are new to this channel, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, we're going to be using the Kylie Jenner, I think it's Blue Honey palette. This is how it looks like. And these are the colors from the inside. So if you want to know what kind of look I get on this palette, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so you already know I did my eyebrows off camera like always. So we're going to go ahead and continue on with the eyes. And like always, we're going to be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And I probably just do like one eye off camera just to make this video a little short, like always. So yeah, we're just gonna do one eye. Alrighty, and for base, go ahead and go in with the Morphe concealer stick, and this is in the shade Vanilla Pudding. And to set that in place, we're going to go in with the True Match Super Blendable Powder, and I am in the color Buff Beige. Just so we're applying this powder just so we won't have any crease on the eyes. Alright, that should be good enough. And now going into the palette. And probably the first shade we're going to use is this shade right here. And then on the backs it does have the names. So the color I'll be going in is this color right here, which is, it's called Sweet Like Honey. And we're going to use this color as the transition color. Obviously the colors that we're going to be using, probably like a little gold, and it's probably like just gonna be these three are gonna be the main colors we're gonna be using. And of course this is a transition shade, but yeah, that's what we're going for, so wish me luck. Okay. Alright, so next color we'll be going in with is this color right here. It's like an orangey color, and we're gonna, well, the name of it is Raw, and we're gonna go ahead and use that also. We're gonna put that on top of that transition color we did use, using the same brush, so it doesn't matter, it'll be okay. And from there we're gonna go in with a different brush and go in with this green color, and it's called Blue Honey. We're gonna use that and put that on, pack that on top of that color we just put on, Raw. We're gonna go ahead and use that and put that on top of Raw. now we're going to do a little crease. We're going to go ahead and get some concealer in a flat brush. Back in with that green color. And we're putting that green color right on the outer V of the eye and making it towards the middle and blending that out. Alright, and from there we're going to go ahead and go in with this shimmer green, and this is called Bumble. So I'm going to go ahead and get a flat brush and wet it a little bit with a Morphe setting, with the Morphe setting mist, just to get a little pigment on that. And we're going to place that on the middle of the eye. And then apply in the inner corner of the eye. We're going to apply this shimmer shade, and it's called Buzz Off. So go ahead and use my finger. What we're doing, and we're gonna go ahead and do some eyeliner. And for eyeliner, we're going in with the Maybelline New York Master Size All Day Liquid Liner. We're gonna do a not too dramatic wing liner, somewhere around between the middle, around there. Alright, that should be good enough. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up all that little mess. So, okay, you guys, so this is the eye look, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I already finished the other eye, and I did pop on some lashes off camera, so now going to the face. So for primer, we're gonna go ahead and go in with my always favorite. This is a moisturizer cream that I put on my face, and it makes your face glow. You can put this on or on before or after foundation. So yeah, this is my favorite moisturizer that I like to put on before foundation, and like I said, you could put this before or after foundation. And it smells really good too. So yeah, you see it has that little glow. Alright, so for primer, we're going to go in with the Professional Benefit Primer. It's like a little sample that I got, and it's really good. I'm not going to lie, it smells really good too. Yeah, it smells really good too. Alright, now for foundation, we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty foundation, and I am in the color Butter Pecan. Now for foundation brush. Alright, and for concealer, we'll be going in with the Morphe concealer stick, and I am in the color Vanilla Pudding. And now for powder, we're going to be going in with the Airspun Loose Powder. We're going to go ahead and bake under the eyes or wherever we apply our concealer. We're going to leave that. And we're going to go ahead and contour our nose. And we're going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And this is in the color Dark Cocoa. Like a really dark color, so I don't want to apply too much. And for bronzer, we're going to go in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Let me get a brush. Okay. And we're going to contour the nose. Again. Alright, for blush, we'll be going in with the the Morphe blush, and this is in the color Spirit. Okay, so now we're going to go back in with the palette and go under the eyes. We're going to go back in with that green color. And for the inner corner of the eyes, we're going to go back in with this shade right here. We're going to go ahead and go back in with that mascara, the voluminous lash mascara. Alright, and for highlights, we're going to go in with the Morphe Babe in Paradise. And we're going to go in with this one right here. Okay. Alright, now going in with lips. I'm gonna go in for lip liner. I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel London, and this is in the color Addiction. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the Kylie Jenner matte lipstick, and this is in the color Birthday Suit. I'm just thinking maybe we're gonna apply that in the middle. Go ahead and get like a and for last but not least, for setting spray, we're gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. Alright, you guys, this is the final look with the Kylie Jenner Blue Honey palette. So yeah, really like it a lot, you know. So yeah, if you like this look and you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments, and once again, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!